DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the building with another reaction, another bad review. And you see what we are doing today, gang? Yeah, man, Bumblecly look like war is in the air. It look like it finally kick off. Well, no clash, no kick off, but look like the beef between Skeng and Valiant is finally official. Because a lot of people is saying, yo, he just dropped this track and yo, it's aimed at Valiant. Yeah, man, and we're there with Skeng gang, and the one that we have today is entitled All Out. Yeah, man, gang. And everybody has say, yo, a Valiant Skeng attack. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, because if you look on the artwork, you know, man, you see a hat, you know, man, with a brain in it. You see me, and look like it look like your brain get touched. You see me, I say, look like a man, you know, fly the bat here. You see me? Whoever hat this, the bat get fly. Because brain alone left. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I don't know, says Valiant is famous for the word catchy at a lie talk. You see me, and say, so look, people are say, yo, a Valiant Skeng attack, you know. But we don't know. We're gonna check it out and see where dog deal if he drop now. This, you know, if he call no name or drop no subliminal. I'm not going to up with vibe much longer again. Let's jump right now, track. Skeng, all out, let's get it.
I understand. Stop around, put my charge. Sometime when I run a joke that one of the things from my brain. Me broke your bum buckle knee with it, brother.
Stop rapping the man, my youth. Sometimes man in a ramping mode, lollipop things upon the man brain, brother. Man, come in now, man. Yeah, man, attack the dog, brother. Yo.
Now run a joke that one of the things from my brain. Me broke your bum buckle knee with it, brother. Don't feel like a joke. Swing across your head, brother.
Don't feel like a joke. Swing across your head, brother.
Don't feel like a joke. Swing across your head, brother. Don't feel like a joke.
Learn that alone, fam. Learn that alone.
Sort your bum buckle like it. I wanna talk to you too long, you know that.
Climb. Who man I talk to too long, brother? Man I talk to you too long.
Learn that alone.
Don't sort your bum buckle like it. I wanna talk to you too long, you know that.
Pan a shot, yeah. Knocks and blocks, boy. I for turn on, I'm a sight my ups. None of them bored in a bud like that. Them you chop the ball and me go pick it up back.
Two pan a shot. Rifle turn on when me spot my ups, you know, man. You know what that mean, brother? Yeah. It's on sight, nigga.
None of them bored in a bud like that. Them you chop the ball and me go pick it up back. Rifle shot, fly them bad. GG, no jam me up cheap and that. One press them face, you can't recognize that. Me I go bust them face, you think I ball me and not.
Press them face, you can't recognize that. Me I bust them face, you think I ball me and knock around here, youth. Yeah, man, I think I shoot for goal, youth. You see me, I say. Bumblecly, come
here. You can't recognize that. Me I go bust them face, you think I ball me and not. How the fuck them attack out? How we am attack? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out. Drink and pass out.
I'm march, you know. Face we go carve out, you know. How we dark at you, little man?
We am attack. Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out. Drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why me go all out? Fuck them attack out. How we am attack? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk.
I try this my youth, and you know, say me dark out my youth. When in a war, me go all out my youth. All out. How we that?
Me go all out. Fuck them attack out. How we am attack? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out. Drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why we go all out? Them learn me, I hurt them first. Better watch the bird, them
When you say, yo, what we do? I heard them first because what happened? Come here.
Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out. Drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why we go all out? Them learn me, I hurt them first. Better watch the bird, them out and look at it. Controversy, gunshot, them man.
Enemy heard and we are hurt them first. What the blood? What?
Better watch the bird, them out and look at it. Controversy, gunshot, them man. Get intoxicated and polluted like that. Road is drop when up and knock it pan. Easy back, bun to split and relax. Call the shots.
Run up and knock it. Boop, boop. Bumblecly. Easy back, bun to split and relax. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Kill them and forget smoke. Wait, is it? Kill them and forget.
When up and knock it pan. Easy back, bun to split and relax. Call the shots. Real done, that's fuck. Where you know about man, I kill them.
Yeah, man, kill and collect, smoke and forget, man. But I want to them, that me that look for. Yeah, man. Yeah. Go on.
Real done, that's fuck. Where you know about man, I kill them. How we am attack? Yes, we go carve out.
Lord.
Fuck them attack.
Eh?
How we a march
What them a talk about, brother? Eh? You know see where I'm march out, brother? Eh? You love drink and floss or walk all about, brother. And you try this and you know we dark out, brother. Yeah, come in. Yeah, this a vibe. Remember, people, this is not a clash song. This is a diss song. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man. It's a diss song.
I tried this side and no man dark out. Where we go? Two pan a shot, yeah. Ox on that vibe. I for turn on my side, my apps. None of them bored and a bad like that. Them no chop the ball and me go pick it up. I for shot right them party.
Me like this. This is a replayable this song. You get what I'm saying? So you can vibe in it on your playlist in your car.
In the jam me up chip and that one. Rest them face you can't recognize. Me I go bust them face you think that ball me and that.
Hey, come on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, say you're a nerd, Valiant. He must say, look, drink and floss out, walk all about that, right? Man say, man, when anyway you see rifle turn, when rifle turn on, anyway you see ups, you know, man. You see me, man, say? Man say, man, the video till unrecognizable, me G. I know me say so, Skeng say so, me just have to say, wow, man. You see me, man, say? Yeah, man. Skeng. Yeah, man. Don't play with the ratty gang boss, you know, man. Don't play with the rat boss, you know, man. Yeah, man, gang. You want to think about the one day? Let me know in the comment section. Skeng. Ah, Lord. Man, I do him think on the track, you know. But, you know, a lot of people going to be like, oh, you're, you know, call on name directly. But he throw shades. You see me, I say? You little nerd, you know, say from the Valiant there, call little nerd. You see me, I say? And he say some other things, you see me, I say? But, yeah, man, you don't know, say the hat is Valiant thing. So, from the artwork alone, you know, say, yo, you know what I'm saying? Skirt, you see me, I say? Yeah, man. Bomba, Skeng, all Lord. Yeah, man, the man go all out. You see me, I say? And this is it's a good diss track, replayable diss track. You see me, I say? This is a bad man song where they play a gun tune. You see me, but he am that Valiant. So it's playable. So, yeah, big up Skeng. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I do him thing. You want to name all out people? Let me know one thing in the comment section. If you like the one, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say Jambisco dance. So, no, yeah, man, we're there. Yeah, man, gang. It's a vibe. I like the one. You see me, I say? Let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Do you think, say, yo, is he really talking about Valiant? You see me, do you think he went hard enough? Not hard enough? Let me know what time. Do you wish he call name and be more direct? Let me know in that comment section. Let's chop it up. You don't know what time it is. Drop a request to get your shout out. You don't know what time it is. Till next time, gang. You don't know. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.